Fatso. Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this. Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Marshmallow! Get you if I can. Hands.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Damn straight. Beautiful.
Oh my god, oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
What?
About this one. She's in there again.
No snack.
Not mad. Snack.
I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay?
Not mad.
No mad.
Era muito eu vou seguir. NANI?
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. Yeah!
Huh?
Aries, come on.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Beat it, kid. Go play somewhere else. No special treatment just because you're small.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy.
No matter how naughty they are, a pregnant human always makes them turn super gentle.
I can't let you outside.
She ain't moving.
You jumped over these double big.
Buddy, close your legs.
She ain't moving.
As tarifas ficavam na casa de 2% das exportações, as importações, no caso, de produtos europeus, que estavam esses caras já existiam antes mesmo da existência de cada.
Be like, yeah, my life be like,
Yeah.
Before climbing to the high places, we gotta start at the basic level with fluffy padding underneath.
Huh?
Husky's friendliness can be downside sometimes.
На.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
let's go.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7
Not sure how you carried that up, but must be some real brain work to save the muscles, huh?
No! Stop it!
Oh my gosh, I can't. There's a frog on you!
Okay.
You comfortable?
What is this?
Stuck in weird places!
This little guy really knows the secret of his ancestral liquid body. Looks like someone is...
Ты что не готовишь? Скоро будет готово.
들어가세요.
No, no, no.
Unfortunately for Human, these guys actually thrive on complex challenges like this instead of backing down.
What? What is going on?
There you go.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Dog.
Nice.
And then I got a foot, mate. Let's go. And this is a cat.
Please.
There's God in some way.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Favorite show?
I would like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
Guys.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Oh, that's not a ball. That's not.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Every time I turn around to confront him, he freezes like, come on, it's just snow.
Buddy's like, as long as you let me stay around, you can do whatever you want.
What? What is going on?
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
That's what you're doing.
Pero ¿por qué le haces?
Oh no.
Can you read this? Oh my! Cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Cachorro.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Three, 2, 1, dance!
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Oh my God.
Toto, vení. No, no, no.
Na, geht's dir gut, Blödmann?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
What? The dog!
I like your stick.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Beer.
What the just happened?
They have no concept of artworks, and it's just an ideal spot for climbing without falling over.
Jackie, did you dig this hole?
Oh.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it, that's all there is to this lame game. Oh my... Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
I love cats. They're the best thing.
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Who is this giant furball? My pate portion isn't going to shrink, is it?
Go, let go.
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
Didn't sign up for motherhood, but the nurturing instinct clearly said yes.
Rick.
Birthday! Oh my goodness! Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow! Happy birthday, though. I love.
Don't try it. No, oh, Michael.
Very sore, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. And then it's a miracle.
So dramatic, bro. Oh. Go, 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 go. Whoa.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
给你尝尝这个紫薯鸡肉饼，哦，嘎嘣脆呀！再给你尝尝这个。
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
How'd you get in there? You can try to snuggle? Mommy up here. There you go.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Are you hoping for food?
You know you want to go outside? Oh,